Let's see how to use an if statement with a measure field. If sales is greater than 1000, then high, else low. So for that, what I will write, I will start my if statement. I will start writing sales. I will get my sales field above. I will select it. If sales is greater than 1000, then I want to return value called high, else I want to return low, and then and. So let's see it in our view. So for that, I will drag my subcategory into rows and my calculated field which I have just created into columns. So in my calculated field, I will have two values, high and low. Now let's drag our order count value into text. So here I can see that in accessory subcategory 30 orders have high sales, 745 orders have low sales. That is, sales is less than 1000 and here sales is greater than 1000. So these are the orders where my sales is greater than 1000. But now suppose you want to write a multiple criteria here. Suppose I want to see if sales is less than 100, then I will return here less than 100. Else I will give else if statement here. Else if sales is less than 500, then less than 500. Else if sales is less than 1000, then less than 1000. Else greater than 1000. So what I have done here, I have divided my sales into multiple criterias. If sales will be less than 100, so all the sales values which are less than 100 will come under less than 100. So here I have got my values divided into all these criterias.